Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. This is the type of question na madalas lumalabas sa exams. And mukha siyang complicated pero sa totoo lang, madali lang talaga siya. Pwede natin siyang isulat as this. Ano daw yung square root ng number na yan? At dahil decimal siya, minsan nakaka-overwhelm. Pero may shortcut pagdating sa ganitong klaseng tanong. All you have to do is to count yung decimal places. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 decimal places. Tandaan natin yan, gagamitin natin yan mamaya. You take the whole number, which is 49. Yun yung kukunin natin, ang square root. So, in order to do that, pwede kang mag-factor 3. Ano ba ang square root ng 49? Perfect square yan. That is 7 times 7. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang square root of 49 ay 7. Now, meron tayong 8 kanina dyan. Ito yung number ng decimal places. All we have to do now is to divide that by 2. Ang sagot dyan ay 4. At kung ilan yung sagot dyan, yun yung number ng decimal places na igagalaw natin pa-left to get the final answer. So again, from 7, you move 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal right there. Add a 0 right there, and our answer is actually 0.0007. Now, some people say, bilangin lang yung 0, i-divide sa 2, tapos yun yung ilalagay mo dito in front. Yeah, that could work for this particular problem and other problems na 2-digit number lang yung square root mo. Pero paano kung 3-digit number na siya? That's the time na it gets a little bit more complicated kung i-divide mo lang yung lahat ng number ng zeros sa 2. Alright, so kung nabitin ka, I have a full video lesson on YouTube. May free quick quiz din doon. Go ahead and watch that. And, anong sagot dyan? Let me know in the comments sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.